Welcome back to the channel, everyone. Figured I'd just go on a nice little cruise today. The weather is really nice here, so perfect day to go ahead and take the Shelby out for a little drive. Just changed the oil, so why not just go ahead and enjoy the car for a little bit. If you guys enjoyed the vid, make sure you guys drop a like on the vid, subscribe to the channel, turn those post notifications. As far as what's coming for this car within the next couple of days, finally got an appointment to get the hood pins actually fitted onto the car. Gonna get the carbon fiber hood re-clear coated with the automotive grade clear coat and not the marine grade clear coat that comes from the factory. I'm also gonna be putting on the 2019 to 2020 GT350 rear spoiler, so everything is coming together, man. I'm gonna save the tint and the roof wrap for when the car gets ceramic coated, because I kind of want all that done at the same time so they can ceramic coat everything, so I don't have to go back and forth, you know, going, you know, from the shop one day to the shop the next day. I want to get everything done at the same time just to go ahead and kill a trip. Don't mind. Oh well. Woo! We get the backfires. I'm telling y'all right now, like headers on a 350, you cannot go wrong. And this is a factory exhaust on this car too. Now, something else I want to go ahead and talk about in this video, which is going to be really alarming. Well, not really alarming, I should say, because it is kind of what this car is made to do. I kind of want to go ahead and put the tire setup back to like more of a track focused build. Because something that I've been noticing with the Mickey Thompsons, they're great tires. Don't get me wrong, they're great tires. But I don't think the Mickey Thompsons work how I thought they would work on this specific car and how it's set up. Because something that I've noticed with the Mickey Thompsons, with the 19-inch Mickey Thompsons, because I had them on my Mustang, the white Mustang, that were a 15-inch Mickey Thompson. Something I noticed about these 19s is like these tires get incredibly floaty, like past 100 miles an hour, to the point where the car is downright kind of scary to drive. And if this car feels like that at only 500 something wheel horsepower, what will it feel like, you know, when the car is making 800 plus wheel horsepower? So I kind of want to go ahead and maybe get some Pilot Sport 4S's or maybe some like Cup 2s, even though I know Cup 2s technically aren't really a street friendly tire. The Mickey Thompson ET Street SS technically isn't a street friendly tire also, but if I can go ahead and kind of get rid of that like sketchiness on the highway, I will definitely go ahead and do that. Let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. For those of you who are riding around on Cup 2s on the highway, how does it feel? Because I believe the fitment for the GT350R is 315s in the back, 305s in the front. That's essentially what I would end up doing with this car. Just go ahead and get that, you know, more of a track-oriented fitment, just so the handling is a little bit better, because I do like to go ahead and like take turns and stuff like this with this car. It's not only for, you know, straight line performance, obviously. So I kind of want to be able to check off all boxes again, because right now, like this car with the Mickey Thompsons, don't get me wrong, the Mickeys work. They work, but it gets a little bit sketchy on the highway. Man, dude, this thing sounds crazy. Obviously, I'm gonna go ahead and put a new clutch in the car too, so all this is gonna happen at the same time as well, so it essentially will feel like a new car again. The new clutch setup, new tire setup, and overall hopefully get that handling back, because the Mickeys, they work. Like I said, they work, they hook up, they hook and book, but like past 100 miles an hour, like I have to keep this car like in sport mode with traction control turned off, or it literally, like, the steering wheel it doesn't feel like secure. Like I don't have that like confidence, if that makes any sense. And I think that's very important when, you know, driving a car, especially like triple-digit speed. You kind of have to have that confidence, or at least have that false confidence. And this car doesn't really give that to me with these tires on here. Again, let me know down in the comment section what you guys think. I've looked under the car, everything looks good as far as suspension goes. I mean, it's stock from factory, and this car doesn't have a lot of miles on it. Only has 15K miles. So I don't know, man. I definitely do not want to go ahead and change up the brakes, any of that. I definitely don't want to go ahead and do anything to go ahead and take away from the experience that the 350 has to offer. So I think the best case scenario to do on the 19-inch wheels is to run a tire that complements the 19-inch wheel. Woo! Like, you literally do not even have to wring this thing all the way out. You just don't. And this thing is incredibly fun. shit. I know I'm a menace to society. I know for a fact I'm a menace to society with this setup because it is loud as hell, but I absolutely love it. Absolutely love it. Man, if y'all enjoyed the video, drop a like, all that good stuff, y'all.